Hey, Ettie. How you doing, girly girl? Penny. Pen. Hey, little Pen. Hey, Ettie. Hi, little Penny. Hi, little Penny. Mojo and Tobi. And Ettie. This is some fun stuff at our house. It's a nice day, and they're all getting a drink. Tobi, don't bug Penny. She'll eat you. Penny will tell you real good, bud. Tobi, you're getting owned. Hey, Ettie. Where'd you go? There you are. Hi, little girl. Oh, you're wiggly. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Good girl. Mojo. Hey, little Penny. You got a bone? Did you find a bone? Yes, you did. Ettie, where'd you go? Hi. Good girl. Hello. What a good girl. Tobi, don't do that. Hey, honey. Oh, jump, jump, jump. Django, sorry you're stuck in there for now, bud. You're a little bit too big to play with the little ones. Hey, bud. Hey, Jingle Bear. I'll let you out later, okay? I'll let you out later, alright? She's a little too small for you. Hey, bud. So this is our place. We got 7 dogs this weekend. A lot of fun for them, though. Ettie, we show your daddy, huh? Said you're doing very good with your training. Yep. Good girl, Ettie.